What you saying today?
Too bad.
What we are talking about today now?
We can't talk about a mix of anything. Right? If you take care of fighting, I'm going to do it. Yeah, you need to study it fun. And I say lock the door, Randy.
The manual, you know?
No, you don't slam the door, Randy.
Well, in the manual mode now.
No, you don't slam it. I went in a manual, in a automatic.
Don't slam it.
Don't slam the door. You have to be gentle.
Alright.
Zip yourself, Randy.
People. See that. People over the world, them get for them already. Them love it. A man say, him take one spoon and him not take another spoon till next month.
Sure.
We say it's not coffee you drink, it's coffee you celebrate. That is the slogan. This is not coffee you drink, it's coffee you celebrate. And Manchester this come from. From my grandmother and my grand aunt farm. Beating a mortar with the real people and roast firewood. It is not coffee you drink, it's coffee you celebrate. One spoon every month.
Up running.
The man them a deal with it, so them love it.
I chung, you know.
You like it?
You don't like it, it's chung. So coffee take care right back to the original coffee days. No like chemical, nothing. Natural. So what you have in the back, Randy?
This is watercress
Wow.
from St. Mary the Best.
Wow.
You say watercress, it won't put hair on your chest, but it will give you love and happiness. It's what I say. This right here, so the anti-cancer agent in it. Search for watercress on Google. And I forget it fresh in a scenty. Now we're going to give you the link so you can buy it in the States. This right here, this is the superfood. There is a brown because of the sound. But this is the greatest superfood. More powerful than spinach, more calcium than milk. So today,
I drink some. I used to get the shampoo to wash my hair.
yeah, I use the watercress shampoo for wash your hair.
Yeah. You give it to you or you give it to me?
Give me the cup.
Okay, Randy.
So I'm on the road right now, we just stop through it.
Link up. You know we have a link up.
So this is the drink when you come to Jamaica. You need to be a member in order for membership of its privileges. This right here, so make you young and rejuvenate yourself. May I talk about rebirth.
Re what?
Birth. Fountain of youth. Look how them say me look handsome and cute. From the fountain of youth. Why say me lose so much weight? I just run me off a run now and get rid of the little titty them for me and chicken fat, you know. I look at chicken fat me, but now me I drink watercress, but nice.
Everything up around here, Randy. Yeah.
Me real.
No fake around here, Randy. But fake I go.
We love the people. Them Echo Stand don't say nothing.
Keep your backside out.
And all the fun them at Echo Stand make sure you know say. You want some of this juice? You can have this.
Thanks.
This is
Okay.
watercress.
Watercress.
Me and that one day.
Yeah man, that's the best thing in Jamaica now. Let's get rid of the cancer.
Okay.
So search for it on Google. Watercress. It's better than spinach. And it have more calcium than milk.
I mean, think there's something in the apple juice.
No, it's just some beetroot tonight.
Okay.
Watercress and beetroot mixed together. See the people? Watercress and beetroot. Anything you want to mix it, you can mix it with. All the coffee you can mix it with.
Yo, you see, as soon as him eat to me, I put it in the freezer now.
Roll frozen.
You don't feel the fresh, you feel the freshness? So when you do get your water, when you come to Jamaica and you're a member of Jamaica Good Life, www.jamaicagoodlife.com, whether you have a t-shirt or you're donated or you call me, you get an interview, this, I'm going to take care of you. You have to get about 5 bottles of this while you're here. Cleanse out your system and rejuvenate your cells. It's called a rejuvenator. So when you go to Senti, where we send you, and you go to the river, and you eat some meat and you go back home, you come to Jamaica for healing. That's what I say. This will steady up your bone. This is what I look for. For 20 years, I look for the healer. 20 years.
Jamaica Good Life. Watercress, coffee, sauce, everything lock in.
20 years, I look for.
So Randy, how was your birthday? How was your pre-birthday? How was your birthday?
Birthday was good. I'm going to go big up to Queen Cuisine. Let me show you what she do for my birthday. Only certain woman know if they celebrate a real king birthday. Queen Cuisine celebration. I don't know if the amount of thing the woman do for my man. So I have to big her up. Because she... Only some people know who you is and treat you like who you is. Other people them not really know yet. Look what she do for me. Look on the flowers what she sent me.
Wow.
Some people text me, the real woman them call me. No nobody text me happy birthday. If you can't call me, you're not human. Look on the flowers. Fear
Okay,
garden that, you know what I say? For my birthday, right? Then,
whoa!
and she make that for me, you know.
Natural.
People, that's how people treat king, you know, for birthday. So they make for me. And the flowers what she sent me. See the flowers them that from our garden. I saw you treat a king. Happy birthday. And let me show you more, you know, done yet. You see? I saw you treat that man. And then boom, she baked the cake. She had master chef, you know. She cooked for presidents, you know. Travel the world, you know. See it there? Run the birthday party. Virtual. Social distancing. Boom! Upside down pineapple cake. See it there? See it there, people? Wait there. Birthday. Whoa! Look at. People, ran the birthday party. I have the greatest chef them on my team. Boom! You see that, Gaza? For one man.
Big up yourself.
Queen Cuisine.
Queen Cuisine, big up yourself.
Watch ya.
Randy, you're gonna get fat.
I'm not gonna get fat.
You're gonna get fat, Randy.
Boom! I love cooking them with diamond.
Randy, you're gonna get
You
fat.
see what I say?
You're gonna get fat.
That's how a woman must take care of man.
Randy gonna get fat.
That woman I take care of me. Boom!
Yeah, big up all the support
Only
of a
once a year,
Jamaica
you know.
Good Life.
Only once a year.
Big up all the support of a Jamaica Good Life. Big up Mr. Brown, the brother Eccleston, D. Williams,
Boom.
Miss Janet, Miss Selena. Big up all of them, all our person them. Alright, I cannot look at them no more. Randy, you're gonna get fat. You're gonna be a monster.
No, sir. Mango cake.
So you're gonna be a monster.
Mango cake, brother. That's how we celebrate birthday.
Many of y'all look.
Top chef. Wait till me bring her up.
So many of y'all look.
When she pick up, yo, let me tell you, this a woman here, Gaza, you are gonna get fat too.
No, you're gonna get
You
fat.
gonna get fat.
I'm not a fan of sweet, bro.
Look, bro. When
As the ones we taste peace.
Mm-hmm.
No craving for more.
Look on the cake, sir.
Gosh, really want to look at the cake.
You not even want to look on it.
No.
Look, people, look on the cake for my birthday.
Can I have a couple of those cake for Mother's Day?
You know how much she said one hour cake for?
I said, can I have a couple of those cake for Mother's Day?
Mother's Day.
For my mom, for my wife, and for my
For Mother's Day, but
yeah.
she did all the way. She too far.
She can't ship it down?
But Mother's Day is Sunday, right?
Yeah, she just can't
This
ship
Sunday,
it down.
right?
Yeah, this Sunday.
That's a FedEx that, you know.
Yeah, just send it.
When she come, we're going to re-celebrate Mother's Day and everything.
Can you send me some of those cake, please?
You know
Send
what
for
one
my
hour
wife. I don't want to know, Randy.
You know how
This
much
cake is
one
very
hour cake?
expensive. Please, don't.
500 US.
Randy.
500 US for one of the cake.
Randy, please, come.
Okay.
Come.
See the cake there?
Can you please send some cake for Mother's Day?
Look, man, let me show you the other one. A $500 for one hour cake. And the small people me deal with it now. Look on the cake, $500.
Can you please send me some cake with Mother's Day for my wife, for my mother, and for my mother-in-law? I want to big up all the beautiful mothers them
Mothers.
and Mother's Day.
Big up to my
Shout
mother.
out the world. Big up to Mr. Passenger Mother. Big up to my mother, my mother-in-law, my beautiful wife. Also to everybody mother.
Big up to
everybody
all the mothers. If I know, no.
All the great mother, not the bad mother.
Yeah. And everybody a mother, you know.
Yeah, big up all the mothers. Then.
And everybody a mother.
All the great mothers. And big up the real father them too.
Yeah.
The real father celebrate Father's Day and Mother's Day. Because mother celebrate Mother's Day in Father's Day. You want me to explain why we say that?
Talk to me.
Because the real mother play both roles, father and mother. And the real father play both roles, mother and father. Okay, it's a 50-50.
Yeah.
You see, so we big up everybody. Big up the real mother, real father. Happy Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers out there. To the caring one, to the loving one, the one who take the great deal for their kids, get everything, get up running.
You know, so we should have make them get the coffee for mother.
We say we should give every mother a coffee for Mother's Day?
No, we say we should make the man them buy it for the mother. But next year,
Next year,
and Christmas will come.
yeah.
So
And next time Jamaica Good Life gonna send some little cake to all the mothers then. You don't get to send card.
we're going to take care of them.
Yeah.
But the birthday was good.
We are trying to go on a journey. We link up Bolton. We have a lovely conversation. We never let people to what we love. We never leave you out of the conversation. You're gonna see exactly everything what we talk about. And really may talk a little bit about my past life in the younger days, run the show a little bit and get aggressive while in talking about it. Bolton, how is the person who does
Rum punch.
yeah.
More birthday.
So,
Well, my birthday celebration I done now.
no, when Randy after this journey, because he's going on a journey. Randy's on a journey. After the journey, we're gonna do the real Randy 48 celebration.
You know,
You're getting old, bro.
I'm getting old. Yeah,
You're getting old, grow belly, grow breasts.
Whoa.
Yeah, Randy gonna get old, grow belly, grow breasts.
No.
I'm gonna reach him. Me no say, what about you? Yes, I'm gonna, but not now. I'm just young.
I'm gonna start the workout.
I'm just 16.
Gonna start the workout. This is where I get to work.
And people, we have a lovely show for you. We have a Cookout, Jamaica Good Life Cookout show. Randy Wild Kitchen. That's another YouTube channel. Randy
the
Wild
same
Wild.
channel, man. I didn't show.
It's a new show.
Same channel. Randy Wild Kitchen and the Food God, Gaza and Swayze.
We're gonna show who's the best chef. My wife, me, or Randy.
Look, when I know some cow skin out, nobody not have it in the world.
Please, people, we're not gonna do the judge. Please, I don't want no biased judge.
My curry goat.
Please, my curry goat at advertising.
My curry goat cannot be handled in Jamaica. I 10 Scotch bonnet pepper I'm put tonight. Africa me have to bring it. You see, them can't hang on my thing. I been in Africa, them hot. My curry goat hot.
Much scotch on the paper?
10.
So eat that
know-
food, bro.
Yo, hot. When I make curry goat for little people, big people, samurai, we hold it.
Hold it. Like Ekistan, like brother
Yeah,
Ekistan.
brother Ekistan, them man they can't hold my curry goat. Hot.
I'm a samurai.
Hot.
How to Mr. Brown?
Mr. Brown, I think Mr. Brown can hold the curry goat that me make. I don't make curry goat for little boys. Big man only.
So what you know, we have the Randy Wild Kitchen show.
Cookout. Competition. And we are going to take my part and walk the neighborhood and label it A and B and see what the people them think. I'm going to bring my own things, but I'm going to depend on nobody for give me no ingredients.
Live, we're gonna go live.
Live.
So people look out for the live while cooking.
I'm going to bring on my own pot too.
So guess what? We want everybody
I'm going to
coming.
bring my own firewood.
So guess what we do? We have a standing cold pot on the line out. And we have a jerk jug. And we have a pot them.
I blow my own fire. Blow fire. I
You don't understand because you see them a jerk jug and blow the coal. So people look out for the show. See the
I
one
bring my own matches. No, I even borrow no lighter from nobody. Come on, nobody say they help me.
So look out for the Randy Wild cooking show.
Yeah. Them never have mango
not
curry
gonna be the
chicken.
champion.
Them never have mango curry goat. Them never hear them things there yet.
We have pumpkin Katarina.
Whoa, what that?
Saltfish and pumpkin cooked with different things.
Boy.
We have different things.
But them don't have cow skin out. I don't make it serve as a little. Don't have cow skin out. Them don't have what we have, which is Bambi rundown. Them don't have that. They don't have Bambi rundown.
We're gonna do a saltfish rundown with Aki. Okay.
All right, it's gonna be.
And we're gonna use gully bean. Enough people don't eat that all long. Gully bean.
All right.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a cookout.
And we have June plum chicken.
What?
What are you talking about?
We're not turn up on the thing.
We're not turn up. We can't do it.
We're not turn up on the thing. I've had two of my ginger curry chicken tonight with some.
So right now, we have the last time we looked for lemon chicken.
We have to go to some Susamba curry chicken.
Last time we looked for lemon chicken. Too much lemon going out there. All the kids are saying, "Oh, this is really lemon chicken."
So that means someone needs some. We have to lick them with the soup too. Chef Randy, I forgot. Turn up the soup.
Randy's a soup card, but we're gonna push. Randy's a soup. Gaza, did you cook any soup today? I just cooked some soup. Randy soup. Randy throw everything in Randy soup. We cannot do it Randy at beef soup. Randy throw everything in Randy soup. Randy soup have everything.
Soup.
So Randy soup is not like how we cook. Randy, anything Randy catch on hand near, go in the soup. So look out for the wild kitchen.
Man. Jamaica good life wild kitchen. What's it up, Randy? Him saying about the food guard is going to be a cookout. Them have a call
Wife, buddy, no?
Hey. We forget how we are going to do it with more. Or do it outside with what we are going to do. How we are going to get the space. How we are going to get the space.
Outside.
Outside. Come on, invite Big Stuck. And him saying about the Chinese done. Chef.
Hey, Christian, you say you're a good chef. You can't be here too. What if Christian can come?
I don't think him too busy.
He's too busy. We invite Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown says I'm a good fish cooker.
Yeah. I'm going to call Biggs, because Biggs want to be in on this. Is it going to be a Sunday?
You choose the date.
Me I say, we have to go travel the neighborhood and talk to the people and make the people.
No, we're going to invite some people
to the neighborhood at a certain time. I went for fasting, I'm slow cooking, brother.
We're going to invite people, it's going to be live. We also get the internet, we can go live.
At Gaza Yard.
We're going to get off mic. That means when we're talking with ingredients, nobody can hide. No hiding ingredient.
Cookout, sure.
Yeah. I have a no ingredient. I have a piece of pork, I'm gonna season it.
No man, that the show they are going to turn up to the burn up.
So who want to join in, please send a comment, send a support to the cookout.
Yeah, but the big cookout, the annual cookout competition. Gaza and Swayze, Team Gaza and Swayze. I've got to bring Veleta. You see me?
That time is a shibad.
Oh. But if Queen Cuisine come down, the whole honor dead.
No, me and my wife can manage everything. Me and my wife. The two of we come combine together. Although we are one, it's gonna be a heck show.
A heck of a
Shabbat.
competition.
But me bother.
But my curry goat might make people.
Randy, you pass us, you know?
What do you mean we pass?
Randy, we cook it, you can say. The first time Randy passed on the curry goat. The curry goat that is advertising and said, "This is my curry goat." Randy said, "Cause I give you, I can't give you 5 stars, I give you 20 stars. I give you stars." No, we don't. No. Randy want to know our recipe. Listen, we have KFC, Randy. We have KFC. We don't give out our recipe. We keep it's a family secret.
They know, so they might hit me, you know.
But
they know the food.
on the farmer's vacation, don't we cook the rice and peas in front of you?
Yeah.
And the rice and peas take exactly what you eat.
It was good. I mean, you know, I travel the world, I eat food, but them food goddamn goddess. It's dangerous. I mean, I tell you, I eat food.
What about my fried chicken?
Everything together. But one day I'm gonna bring Queen Cuisine and done the whole of Uno. Done the whole of Uno. And my secret weapon that. Everyone in Jamaica, done, dead.
Okay, Jean-Pierre Genius. My old schoolmate Jean-Pierre Genius. We're gonna invite him.
And then you know what? I'm gonna bring Biggs for my team. Queen Cuisine and Biggs. Then I might just bring Blacker. Bring the customer Manis water.
I tell you, Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown, I bet Mr. Brown responds to the fish section.
Yeah.
Mr. Brown is a fishman.
So what we are going to have is cookouts. You know, say social distancing.
So we have a lot of... Yes.
So people look out for the Jamaica Good Life. Big cookout. I'll get some of the best chef them. And I'm going to set a date. And we are going to make it happen on the farm.
So Randy,
I'm going pot.
how would I do it? I always say we want to do it live. I go up on your land.
No, I go to your yard.
Yeah, on the land. We have set up it.
Your yard.
Alright, we have the live people. Look out for it.
Yeah.
We don't want to give you a day and you look at and you say this day. We gotta get everything prepared. Everything up and running. That means everybody ready. We don't want to let no fans say, it's gonna be Monday and Monday it don't happen. We don't want to Sunday and it don't happen.
The soup on my curry goat now gonna be normal.
Right.
Biggs, I gonna link Biggs to that video. Biggs I gonna do. It not gonna be normal. It not gonna be normal.
Now go win,
It not gonna be
Randy, you're
normal.
not going to win.
But you know,
You no
the
matter how you
same thing
call-
as me. You must cook curry goat, me cook
But
curry
you know,
goat.
no matter what we cook, it's our shot.
You take a shot.
With my wife there,
Yeah, Swayze.
go to crazy.
Now we give it up to Swayze. Me can't say nothing bad about Swayze cooking. But I know some curry goat. Them still a talk about
10 pepper.
in Australia, them still a talk about it.
There's 10 scotch on it. Hey, Randy's a man, and when Randy a blend all juice, Randy throw all hot pepper in it.
Turmeric and pepper. You see me? When you put turmeric and pepper, give it the heat. Give no nose of the pepper, kill the parasites of the stomach. You see me? So, I want to do some susuma Carlo for me still, you know.
You know, Randy promised him I don't want whole of chicken well stuffed with beer thing, and I know I cannot get it.
Yo, baked chicken with sweet potato, you ever had that?
Yeah, but you say you're gonna do it for we taste here.
So now wait for me. So no eat nothing from me yet.
No? Only
Oh.
soup where you give me time.
Was that good?
I'm give you, how much you want me give you out of 5?
Out of 5. What soup was it?
You remember we go up on the journey? The chicken soup, chicken foot soup.
Okay.
There, man. Now Randy are talking. Just put up behind the kid, may I come? The chicken foot soup, we go on the journey. No matter we go on the long journey in
Oh yeah.
You remember mommy come and say, Randy, you're cooking soup, Randy. You're a
Oh,
soup
yeah,
goddess.
yeah,
No
yeah.
food, just
Soup God, then call me.
soup. You're a person just say,
Chicken patty! Chicken patty, me see it! Yeah, me see the chicken patty where you have. Forward!
so I say that. Alright.
Alright, sir.
So people, look out for you. We're gonna win this.
Wow, I wish we could invite, maybe we should have gone to the inner city and just cook for the people. Maybe we should cook for some people on the streets and give them free food.
Can't do that in Randy.
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life have on the shirt. I make you a day and cook for the person in the street.
Yeah, the street people are homeless them.
Yeah, so what you know? We do it on a Sunday that the curfew lift.
Yeah.
We can get you finished cook and just feed the people on the street.
Yeah, man.
Make sure they get a proper meal,
Yeah,
get
man.
some juice.
Drive off and drop it off.
Yeah, give them. Let's walk around and
Cook
give
for
them.
some elders, you know?
Yeah, man. So,
Big pot and thing and cook for the neighborhood and take care of the elders.
so guess what we're gonna do? That's how we take care of them. So we're gonna do like with that final love we come in there and just cook. Everybody just eat and laugh.
Yeah, man. You know,
Make
what
your
we have
favorite
to do?
rum punch.
We have to also down at different areas with the road boy them there. Show the love. The gangsters them.
Invite them.
Create the no man, just pass and say, yo gangsters, come on, this is a unity. Cookout, drop off some food at Comfort, some over here, so some over Blending. Just drive through and drop off food, stack of food and say, yo, it's a love thing. So them kind of cut down the war, put food in them system. You know? She smell good, eh? The woman smells so good.
Never told this chopper what to do, okay?
No man, when no man pass and
Listen,
smell
no
good,
matter
you know.
what happened, never this chopper what to do.
Hold on, it's a Queen Cuisine here. Queen Cuisine. Well, go on. We'll do a show right now. Me call you back. That's the big boss, big international chef. When she come, I'm gonna just make she cook for you. I'm not gonna lose her mind.
Randy promised me stuffed chicken.
Alright, you know what? When I come back, I'll cook some curry goat.
No. The 10 scotch bonny pepper.
No, me not.
Remember the kids is out there. The kids are all the taste.
I'm gonna soften it up for now. I'm gonna put some turnip in it. Turnip,
With it.
chocho, carrot, curry goat, you know the thing, scallion, thyme, onions, slice up Irish potato, slice up a sweet potato.
Don't give away your recipe.
We don't care. A portion
Don't
of
give away
seasoning.
don't give away your recipe.
I'm a seasoning.
Do it like
already.
KFC.
And how long me cook it. Them can't have everything. How long you cook it, how much water you put in it, especially if you put carrot juice in it. You know about the carrot juice. Well, I know about pine juice in a curry goat. But brother, I don't know nothing.
Randy, here's a man when you cook, you put a lot of stuff. You just put in stuff.
But for the man, you
cook that milk and throw
you
everything.
mean? Oh, you mean cook that milk to go in a curry
I
goat?
say you're not playing and throw everything in your food.
Banana skin.
That's you.
What you mean, brother?
Give it iron.
Hey, make it melt out. And when you eat it, I say, what is? You touch something else, your brain say, what is? Brain confused. Me say, I make your mind mad, mad cook, while cooking. I make you mad. So what is it? You know, with the 2 layer ginger, me fry one, and then make one fresh. 2 layer onions. One fry, one fresh. So your taste bud them mad. That's how could be iron fresh and then fry. Mad yo. Okra, one fry, one fresh. Me do a layer cooking. People don't know about layer cooking. First layer of scallion, last layer of scallion. You see me? First layer carrot, last. You see me? So you buy one of the carrot, one crispy and one soft. You see how they cuss bad word in your mouth and your brain gone mad. They don't know about them kind of cooking they can set me where we come from. So Biggs, yeah. Biggs where I go on. You know, say a cooking competition I come up in a Manchester. And you have to be there. Come on to my team because Norway versus Richmond Belitaro. Alright. Internet. So Norway, I represent Norway. Hey. Somebody said they want to compete with Norway. Richmond one versus Norway. You know the Jamaica Good Life Wild Kitchen and you there on my team. What the Internet. Let me call you direct. Let me call you back. A Biggs that you know. Man say I'm a professional chef.
You lose, man.
Biggs, let me call you directly. A Biggs that.
You lose, man.
A Biggs that.
You lose
A
already.
Biggs, me I call me heavy hitters then. Me I call me people them, you know. And me I call Blacker too. Me I call them from me yard.
So much chef you call?
You don't say no want war. I don't want food war.
I just know my wife a beat. I
You
never
know
call
me.
you on the whole world. Oh my gosh. My gosh, that's 2 persons I call the whole world. Gosh. You don't believe in his cooking.
No, me good. It's just that me have a team. You see me? Me have a team, bro.
My wife is 1,000.
Yeah, so you know what I say? Norway versus some youth at Richmond Belitaro said they're more dangerous than you. And I say, no, you can't get me NBA star. Say, no, you can't touch him. I said, no. So I said, no, man, we're going to do this. We're going to bring the heat. So what day good for you? Later on, probably 2 weeks or so, we're going to deal with it. You see me? Alright, sir, because, you know, you may depend on to bring home the trophy, you see? I don't say nothing. And tell blacks, you know. Eh? Well, me also, you know, we're going to do some curry goat and some soup and some Chinese. We're going to put it at the work section. We're going to keep it on the Chinese. We're going to make you mad them with the Chinese. Because food, we're going to the neighborhood and make the people them judge it.
Oh, Mr. Boy, I'm about a pork fried rice.
Yeah, man. The shrimp, yeah, man. So we're going to shopping in the morning and then we're going to shopping in the evening. You see me? Don't say nothing, brother. Are you the on the team? I not left you. And tell Blacker too, you know. So we need some managed water from him. Alright? I mean we are going. I know where we come from, you know. Bush cooking, you know. Talk to you later. Alright, see? Me have the shrimp Chinese man, me have the managed water coming. I'm going to do the curry goat and the regular chicken foot with cow skin soup. Hello, bro. We don't care where you are.
Call everybody you want.
Eh? You lucky say Queen Cuisine never done yet. Who else me have?
And you would really a call?
Hey! That Jamaica good life, you know.
So, I just me and my wife alone then.
Look, man. Look, brother. You lucky say me not call Pokey from the grill.
Me say I just me and my wife alone.
You lucky.
Do I embarrass Pokey?
So you say you manage the pork?
Anything we touch a goal.
You know, some respect, you know. But let me tell you something. Me respect, you know. But it's iron sharpen iron. And because we're in the wild kitchen, iron sharpen iron.
People are gonna see it like so. We see who talking. People gonna see it live, right? So we know what going.
We have a stove we can bring from Mobile, and like a plug-in stove, so we have enough. We don't want to short or nothing. We want to get enough coal. We have some iron for the coal too. We have coal in my yard already. You dig? We want to make out some chop. I don't think enough people there are good in the world to deal with this.
Randy, you lose.
We lose.
Don't pressure yourself.
Bigs, no man, once Bigs dead, man, you can't lose.
Don't pressure yourself, Randy.
So people, we're going to do the cookout. I hope you know. Alright. This Jamaica good life. We're continuing. Make sure you like the video and thing. We're just vibing and enjoying Jamaica right now at the back of the van. Make them on a journey right now. We're cut down on the cow. Because I'm 48 and we have to live to 98. You see me? So the birthday celebration starts. I'm going to come back and maybe my birthday celebration is the cookout. Your anniversary is coming up. That's
The 9th of June.
9th of June is your anniversary?
Yeah.
What is the plan?
Decide as it.
Okay. So Nadine.
This time I just want to bring my wife somewhere.
Nice.
Nice.
So people, we're good. We need more of you to come on board. Big up to Mr. Brown. How's the cow doing?
Cow alright, you know.
Cow good. I'm gonna be traveling, and Gaza is gonna be holding it down. Don't say a word, don't make a sound. This is Jamaica Good Life coming to your town. St. Mary, St. Anne's. We can't stay in Manchester forever.
We're traveling, bro. Yes, sir, we're gonna do a
We
link
gotta
up.
move. We gotta move.
Yes, sir, we have a link up, so we're waiting.
Yeah, Westmoreland. We gotta hit the road, guys. It's a mess. But people, it's love, it's respect. No politics today. Just flexing and cooking. Let me, you see there? We have all the wealth in the world. For the cooking. We have the watercress. We have the watercress, people. So no need to become a member because this away. I go.
Watercress with beetroot.
Wanna link me on WhatsApp at 646-330-9150. This I want me to look for 20 years. We got it. So now me I go drive out. And don't forget my cow skin out. That's what the girls are talking about. All right. People, until next time, sign off, Plaza.
Support the movement, Jamaica Good Life. The coffee. See there,
It's
Jamaica
not for
Good
drinking,
Life.
it's
not
for
for drinking.
celebration.
It's a celebration. Once I take one sip, you also, I don't want to finish it.
You don't want
Jamaica
finish.
Good Life. Support the movement.
Yes, later, people.
This is Shernard and Randy. Jamaica Good Life. People like it, subscribe to it. Big up everybody. Big up the person who don't like it. We still love you. Still keep the movement. Love
Oh, subscribe, like it.
Subscribe, like, and comment and share. Tell a friend that a friend tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And a friend tell a family. Love you all.
Outside.